Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Gradient Academy. Myself Sachin Yadav, and today I will discuss IIT-JEE Mains 2023 Physics section problem. So, two identical solid spheres, each of mass 2 kg and radius 10 cm, are fixed at the end of a light rod. The separation between the center of the sphere is 40 cm. The moment of inertia of the system about x is perpendicular to the rod passing through the middle point is equal to value into 10 to the power minus 3 kg per kg meter square. So first we understand that this is rod. Light rod means massless rod. Massless rod. One sphere kept here, one sphere kept here. Here the mass of each sphere is 2 kg and radius is 10 centimeter. We have to calculate moment of inertia of this system about this axis. Let's I axis, we call it I axis. So we know the value of I, moment of inertia of sphere about center, it's a sphere, about this axis is equal to 2 by 5 mr square. I am assuming you know this value. If you don't know, write in comments. I will make a separate video for that, how to calculate moment of inertia, mass moment of inertia of a sphere. So for this point I am assuming you know that the value of. If we have to calculate about this axis, so for that we have to use parallel axis theorem. What this theorem say? If we have to calculate, if there is mass and this is about I, moment of inertia of, if we have to calculate about this point moment of inertia, so just we have to do I of this, means alpha axis is equal to I of this moment of mass moment of inertia of this block about IC plus mass of this into distance, means this is beta square. So this is parallel axis theorem. So if we apply parallel axis theorem for our case, so I about axis is equal to 2 by 5 mr square plus m into, if we assume this distance is d, so md square, and this is for one sphere, but in our case there are two spheres and all other things d, m are identical. So for calculating for both we have to just multiply by 2. If they are different mass, so we have to write it separate, like that m1 r1 square plus m1 d square plus में 2 by 5 mr square plus में md square. So 2 by 5, what is the value? M is 2 kg and r is radius is 10 centimeters, so 10 by 100 convert into meter square plus m is 2 into d. So here it's given that 40 centimeter, total distance between two spheres is 40 centimeter, so d is 20 centimeter. So 20 by 100 square and whole divided by 2 for other two spheres, so other sphere. So this is 0.08 plus 0.08 0.08 into 2. So this is 0.88 into 2, that is equal to 176 into 10 to the power minus 3. So we have kg meter square. We have to calculate what is the value. So he is asking about that value, that is 176. So thank you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, share it, subscribe it, share with your friends. And if you want to discuss another problem, just write in comment about the problem, so I will make a separate video for that. Thank you very much.